Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we're doing some serious cleaning after a very busy week, so if you guys want to come along with me and get some cleaning motivation, then please keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is sort out my laundry. I like to get laundry going while I'm doing other things. It's truly multitasking, so I'm going to go ahead and sort all my laundry and then we're going to head downstairs. Alright, so all this stuff was left over from last night, our midnight snacking, and then we had some breakfast. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cleaned, and then we're going to do the dishes from last night. I was just too tired. I could not be bothered to do them. It's real life. This is honest. This is real. I am about 4.5 months pregnant, so my energy levels are not the highest right now, so I will do things as they come, try to take it easy. On this particular day, I did clean for like 3 or 4 hours, and my back is killing me, so I'm paying for it now. But I do like to start off with my kitchen first, get that cleaned, and then I move on to other things. As you guys will see later, I did start purchasing some more Christmas decorations. I'm super excited. I am going to be doing my gingerbread kitchen again this year, but I will be extending it into the dining room. So I've got 2 rooms to fill up with gingerbread decor, so I definitely had to buy more. If you guys haven't stopped by Hobby Lobby yet to check out their Christmas decor, you've got to go. They've got so much cute stuff, some new stuff, some repeat stuff this year, but they have the best gingerbread collection. So my husband and I are actually going to be taking out the Christmas decor from the garage on Halloween. On Halloween day, we're going to take a couple hours to get all that stuff pulled out so I can start to get organized and figure out where I'm going to put everything. So I am going to be taking down my fall decorations in less than a week. Feels like I just put them up, but it is always short-lived. I do like to have Christmas up by like the first week of November, so I really love Christmas and I want to enjoy it as much as I can, and it does take me days, if not a week, to put everything together. So do stay tuned for those videos. They are coming right after this one. I'm going to be doing a shop with me and then a Christmas haul, so please stay tuned. Looking back through my old videos and I was trying to figure out the last time I did a clean with me, and it was like 3 or 4 months ago. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I don't know why. They're so satisfying to watch and I like filming them. They're pretty simple to do. I just set the camera up and I start cleaning. There's no thought, there's no, DIYs, there's no, anything to really do, just clean and film yourself. So I will try to do some more of these. I know some of you really like these clean with me videos and they are very popular on YouTube. I do know that I watch them myself. I do like to get cleaning motivation from them. I know I watch one and I get up and I start cleaning, so it does work. So give me a thumbs up if you guys like cleaning videos and I can definitely do more. I will be making my grocery list. I don't know if that's something you guys are into, but that is something that I like watching as well. I like to see what other people purchase and how they meal plan. So if you guys are interested in that, leave a comment down below and I can definitely share that with you guys. coffee table always gets so dirty and I don't understand why. I guess we have messy eaters in the house. People constantly eating on this coffee table, or if we have dinner, we bring it there and it's just always smudges and food and griminess left on that table. It's so hard to keep clean. I really wish I didn't go with a glass coffee table this time around, but I didn't really like anything out there as far as style that would match with what I have. So I had to go with another glass coffee table and I'm definitely regretting it. So as you guys can see, here's all the stuff. These gingerbread ornaments are from Walmart, as well as these candy canes. Super cute. I got 2 packs of those and they were like $6.97 a piece, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but somewhere around there. They were super cute. And then I had to grab these from Hobby Lobby. They were sold out online, so I ran to my closest Hobby Lobby and I found them. And I definitely bought myself a set or 2. I know, I'm so bad. Christmas is my kryptonite. I can't help but buy Christmas decor. It's one of those things that I just tend to collect year after year, and it grows and grows. My garage is full of Christmas decor. Seriously, like 3 shelves full of Christmas decor. But here I was just showing you I got my daughter some really cute clothes from TJ Maxx, and this vest and these boots from Walmart. How cute are these? They match perfectly. Super excited for her to wear those, and they were such a good price. They really do have some cute clothes at Walmart and at Target. I did not clean her book bag out when she got home on Friday. I was just too tired to do so, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. As you can see, our dining room table is our catch-all. That seems to be the place where everybody dumps everything. As you can see, there's my purse. My husband's got his motorcycle stuff here, so this is definitely the catch-all for us. So since I'm pregnant now, I'm trying to use more natural cleaners. I have been using Simple Clean. I do like that. It does, it doesn't have that many chemicals in it, and it's much better than using like bleach or whatever. So if you guys have any recommendations on what I should use, please let me know. I do clean the kitchen with vinegar and water, and then of course my granite cleaner. But I am always on the lookout for, low odor, low chemical cleaners for when I'm pregnant. I just don't know what to use, and I sometimes bust out the gloves if I really need to clean something. But again, if you guys have recommendations, please leave them down below. I appreciate it. As you can see my cat, do you see her head? I'm getting whiplash watching her go back and forth. She's watching me mop. So cute. I know everyone's been asking me for a home tour. I do want to film that video for you guys, but my upstairs isn't quite finished. I kind of wanted to share my home tour with you guys once I got the nursery done. We're just waiting to find out the gender of the baby, and then I plan on filming the home tour once everything is done. Upstairs is just not quite where I want it yet, so I hope you guys understand, but it is coming. I know you guys do want to see, so just hang in there. This is the most satisfying part, is when everything comes together. Finish cleaning everything, vacuuming, light your candles, and everything smells good. Everything looks clean. Cleaning is just so satisfying. I've always loved cleaning. Now, if you guys haven't seen my pantry makeover, I will link it down below and above. You guys can go check out that full video. This does still get messy time after time, especially after a busy school week. So I do like to go in there and organize and see what I need to buy more of. Like I said earlier, I will be doing my grocery list, so I need to see what we need. This is the best way to do it, is to go through and toss old food. Alright, now I'm just going to head upstairs, take off all the sheets off my bed, wash those. As you guys can see, that bench in front of our bed there, it is another catch-all for our clothes, our jackets, our socks, whatever it may be. It tends to collect clothes, so every single Sunday or Saturday, whichever day, I have to go through and fold everything, see what needs to be washed. It's just a mess, always. This is always a mess too, my jewelry area from the week. I always have to put everything back. I take everything down. I do honestly wear all of that throughout 1 week. So I do like to get it placed back, get it nice and organized so it's just not so messy. And then we'll wipe off the top of the dresser. I just love those vacuum lines, don't you? I think they're so satisfying. I always try to get them perfect, but it's just the OCD in me that likes to see those clean lines. So my daughter was actually up here earlier. She was having lunch, watching TV. You will see she was watching a Roblox channel or some kind of channel about Roblox. She loves Roblox. We do have to take away the iPad time after time because she does get a little obsessed. But if any of your kids like Roblox or you like Roblox, let me know in the comments down below. My daughter is completely obsessed. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to start folding that laundry that I put in earlier. Like I said, I put it in first thing and then I come back at the end and sit and fold. So I am going to wrap up the video here. I don't want to bore you guys with folding all of this laundry. It took me another hour to complete, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you guys do like this and you do like cleaning videos, please let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely film more. I love filming these kinds of videos for you guys. And like I said earlier, I will be starting my Christmas 2021 series. I've got a ton of videos planned for you guys. I'm super excited for all of them. I've got a ton of gingerbread DIY videos coming too. My brain is just exploding with ideas, so I hope you guys are excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!